In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove this bookmark notice on your Firefox browser. So if you're just getting started with Firefox and maybe you have just opened a brand new browser, you will see this notice asking you to add bookmarks on your toolbar. Now, if you want to remove this, it's quite simple. For my case, I want to remove it because I already have my bookmarks that have been organized into folders and you can see them here. So I'd like to remove this. To remove it is quite simple. Just head over to this corner here and then right click on it. And then you'll see this option called Bookmarks Toolbar. As you can see, it is currently set to always show. And that's why we can see this ribbon of quick access. To remove it, just go ahead and choose this option called Never Show. If I tap on it, now you can see that bar has been removed. So that's how you can remove the bookmark notice bar on your Firefox browser. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.